Perhaps you may have seen that I'm going to build a 306 BFA engine, and this is the SIP Posh Performance, it's called, the RESIBOX for the BFA 306. Looks quite massive, doesn't it? Especially this tailpipe. It looks like VW Kevet Beetle, doesn't it? Look, it has even some hole inside, make it more quiet. It looks massive. Small, quick ground clearance check. The body is bigger, it's higher, so it is in the middle, but it also goes down. This could also be a little bit more up. We'll see how low this hangs. It's not the highest. You can also see that. Look, it goes down. Could also go up, like other boxes. Like this one, in a line with the body. Not so here. Yeah, we'll see and test it. You'll get a video about it. And just to compare it with a standard box, is it really that big, or is it just a fat tailpipe which is faking importance? Now look at this. If you put the polinibox over it, it does not look so big anymore, does it? If you hold the manifolds together, not so huge. Not such a big difference. Not so nicely welded here. Pretty surprised that for the price of 445 euros or so, that you don't get a proper paint of the exhaust. It is how it is. So this is 120, 115 polinibox, and this is 445. For the price of this one, you get 3 of these boxes. Is this one 3 times better than this one? We're gonna find out. I'm gonna try the BFA RESIBOX and also a polinibox. I'm gonna change the connector for it, and then we can compare if it is really that good or if it's just sales trick, overpriced, because the idiots buying the BFA engine, doesn't matter if they just pay a few $100 more. And the construction check of the BFA. Welding seams here, that's okay, that's a bit rough, but that's okay. No manifold body connector. That could have been done. But the holder is properly connected here. Gastel nut is... oh, look at that. Now it's still open. Not connected here. The inside wall has proper welding points. That's also a good thing. Spring holders here are okay. It looks okay. You know, you always have to consider that people are not making many kilometers with these important boxes, are they? It's more like shooting off. Not all of the boxes provide hooks for springs to mount it on at the cylinder. They are not really needed, it also works without hooks, but it's a nice touch to have them, to choose how you connect them, just squeezing the cylinder or adding also springs here. This one has proper hooks. The RR box has smaller hooks, should also do the job. The Zip Road one too does not have any hooks. Polinibox also doesn't have hooks for the springs. BFR RESIBOX doesn't have wires, bent wires, it has bent small metal sheets with holes in it. It looks okay. One R has only one. That's a little bit thin, isn't it? Not really properly welded. That could have been done.
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?